why not?
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, again with your huge round of applause, please welcome Ms. Anila Shahar and Ms. Aksa Abbasi. Please ma'am, come on the stage.
Okay, I'm here to say something about their program. In my opinion, the program has been so nice till now, and everything shows that everything is very okay. Okay, up till now everything has been so systematic. It is very much difficult to arrange a program in which you have to amuse the people. You must have the things to entertain the people. Have the example, and Desi class did it. They proved it. Really nice program up till now. Keep it up.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, congratulate all the students of TASI because they have really arranged a superb evening today. And for a student sitting in front of us, actually, it is just an inspiration. It is inspiration for those who have just started their journey of learning English. There is a long way to go. And in TASI, the speciality of this class, actually, that you will have a chance or opportunity to be taught by Sir Afzal, right, our teacher. And definitely you would love to be taught by him. And the next thing that all of students sitting here, that learning is a journey, not a destination. And definitely you have made a right choice sitting in TLC. So I
Successfully in each and equal class.
Oh shit. In this program you are talking me about the class lesson. How boring you are.
Am I?
No, I don't think so. But the question you asked me, I have the answer. The TLC is successful because it teaches us in the tremendous and very wonderful environment. That's the secret of your success.
Okay, that's right. And right now, we have the brilliant student of TASI class who's going to deliver his speech here.
Wow. So what are you waiting for? Call him.
So now, I would like to call Mr. Shahzad. Please come to the stage and join to us. Please clap for him.
Clap for him.
Clap for him.
Before starting the formal speech, what I am observing, your energy level goes down. You are looking very lethargic. No claps. So, first of all, there must be huge round of applause for Sir Afzal, team management, and all those students who arranged this beautiful and wonderful program. Put your hands together. I'm not hearing. Are you enjoying? Are you with me? That's great. Okay. Let me start my speech. It's not a speech. It's not scripted because unlike my teacher, piece of advice all the time, I never ever believe in written speech. So on the spot, I believe in improvisation. Whatever comes to my mind, as we are celebrating TASI, the art of spoken English language day. So whatever I've been taught in that class, I will try my level best to convey my messages or what we have not to do. First of all, we should say goodbye to our comfort zone. What is comfort zone? All of you, including myself, we are reluctant to work hard. Are you getting me? With me? That's great. Okay. So the thing is that you have to say goodbye to your comfort zone, take out yourself and face the challenges. Once you start facing the challenges, start grabbing new things, be dedicated to learn each and everything, and there must be a firm commitment to implement all those things that you are learning in your practical life. Then you can really we can say, you can really enjoy and you can really get the fruitful results of all your learning. Otherwise, that will be just like taking classes and then you forget whatever is being taught to you. So this is not the purpose of learning. We have to implement, we have to apply our all learning or our all positive aspects that are given by our teachers. Language is a tool. But in TLC, language never ever been as a tool. Besides that, we have always given so many positive things. like about ethics, about religion, exposure to politics, like whatever comes to your mind, practical implementation or practical usage of language makes us perfect to do and to express our views and ideas. That is the basic essence of learning. So what should be the perfect recipe of learning language? Well, there are a number of resources. Internet is there, self-study books are there, teachers are there, institutes are there. But despite having all the resources, what people do, they always blame others rather than analyzing or evaluating themselves. Self-evaluation, what is all about? Do you know? Do you have any idea about self-evaluation? Do you know? Day by day, start analyzing yourself about your position, about your standing in language. Otherwise, you always go for other people and start asking about your performance, about your language, about your understanding. That is not the right way. What you need to do, you have to analyze yourself, self-accountability, and get rid of your work shyness. We are, unfortunately, being a Pakistani, we all of us are very work shy. We always give blame to load shedding, number of other failures in our life. Like I talk about work, load shedding, and it happens. So the thing is that, I'm in the middle of my speech. There is something more. Okay. Yeah. So the perfect recipe of learning language is your dedication and your attentiveness. That is key to success. Your attentiveness, people always blame to their time. They don't have time. They act like a busy bee. They look busy, but they have nothing to do.